Hi everyone, this is Ferial from Tekmetric, and in this video, I'm going to give a high-level overview on the changes we've made in order to support multiple technicians on a job. In order to support multiple technicians on a job, we moved the tech assignment to be at the labor line level within Tekmetric. This allows you to split the work within the job between as many technicians as you'd like. However, in order to make sure we don't increase the clickiness of building a job, we kept the job level tech assignment, but now it functions as a default tech on the job. This means that when I assign a technician as my default tech, it will assign this tech out to all the unassigned labor lines and to any new labor lines I add to this job. So in this example, I'm going to go ahead and add myself as the technician on this first labor line, but then I'm going to go ahead and assign out Aaron as my default tech. And you'll notice that Aaron gets assigned out to the rest of the unassigned work on this job. However, I do keep I am still the technician on this first labor line. This is the intended behavior in order to not accidentally reassign work that might already be in flight, but it is just needing an extra pair of hands. You'll also notice that when I go in to edit this job, that you can also adjust the tech assignment while building the job. This was not currently available prior to multiple technicians on a job, but now you can assign the technician while you're building the job and no longer needing to wait till you save it. So now I'm going to go ahead and quickly add a labor line, and you'll notice that Aaron is automatically assigned to this labor line since he is the default tech on this job. And I'm going to go ahead and just quickly add this and save it. And now I'm going to go ahead and authorize the work just to show you guys how you can assign out some work from the tech board in case you want to split this job between multiple techs. So real quick, I'm going to just have a couple of labor lines unassigned and navigate to our tech board. And now you'll notice here in the remove and replace transmission job, you can now actually assign out individual labor lines from the tech board if you're needing to. If you're wanting to just assign this whole job to someone, you can do so by just clicking assign all labor and selecting an employee. In this example, I'm just going to send this to QA automated and send the last labor line to myself again. Now you'll notice that there are RO cards under each technician who has some work assigned to this job. Another area that is going to be affected when there's multiple technicians on a job is the work in progress tab, specifically the job clocks. So you'll notice now if I hover over any of these initials, I will see this little menu pop up with all the job clocks assigned to every technician on the job. I'm going to go ahead and start my own job clock. And you'll notice I can see Aaron and this employee's job clock because I have permissions to do so in the work in progress permissions. However, if I turn those off, I will only see my job clock. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys this as an example in case you are wanting to update that for your technicians. I'm going to remove the ability to mark the repair order complete and start and stop all job clocks. And now I'm going to navigate back to the RO real quick. Do a hard refresh so the permissions show. And now if I go to the work in progress tab, I can only see my job clock and only start and stop my own. Even if I complete my labor lines and Aaron is still working on his, I still cannot adjust his job clock or see the work that he is working on. This is the intended behavior if you decide to turn off this permission. And lastly, there are some reports that will be affected with multiple technicians on a job, specifically tech hours and our employee commission report and the real-time tech report. We will be distributing the labor and the sales proportionally to the technicians on that job. For more information on the reports, please navigate to our Knowledge Base Center to see how multiple techs will affect these reports, or do not hesitate to contact our support team. Have a wonderful day, and thank you for watching this video.